Hey guys, just wanted to show you what it looks like when you take and reverse the power on your E-tank to clean your anodes. Every once in a while you should do it. It makes your anodes last a lot longer. What you do is you put a sacrifice skillet or piece of metal hanging where you usually put your pan, and then you take and switch the cables from where you had it when you do your regular electrolysis. Well, when it does that, I've got this old import skillet that was cracked. So first I'm going to disconnect the power line from it, put it over to the side. Now I'll show you what the skillet looks like when it has been used as a sacrifice itself. That's nasty. So now I'm going to take it over to the table. We'll spray it off and I'll show you what it actually does to the skillet. Alright, I've got it sitting on the table. Man, you can see that it tore this thing up bad. So I'm going to try to adjust this so it gets a stream, and then we'll just spray it in here. Not a lot is coming loose. Let me... There we go. Alright, we're getting a lot of the nasty stuff that was on there off. Let me get it finished, cleaned out, and then I'll scrub it a little bit and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, I've got most of it scraped off. You can see areas that it pulled some of the metal from this to replace damage on the anodes. And most of the, it was covered in the rust that it pulled off of it. So what I'll do is I'll set this one, I have another one that I use too, that I'll set these to the side, let them dry after I scrub them down. So the next time I need to do my tank, I'll just take it, put them back in there and let it run again, and it'll come out just looking just as bad as this. And eventually I'll have to replace these because it'll actually eat the holes into the skillets. Everybody have a great one.